In front of me is LENOVO Idea Tab Plus 12.1 Mate Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Accounts and Sync. Then select Open under Google. Click on Google Password Manager and select any password you want to edit. Enter your login method to confirm it's you and choose Edit button to make any changes you wish. When you're done, tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!